Hi there, I'm Miss Grace. I'm the new children's librarian here at the Clayton Library, and we're going to be making friendship bracelets. That's going to be our craft this week in the Kids Craft Corner. So let's get started. In your kit, you should have a sheet of instructions, very helpful, a pipe cleaner, and then in the bag, I wonder what those are. You should have some pasta, some noodles, and they should be uncooked. Don't cook these. These are not for eating, these are for crafting. So what you're going to do first is you're going to decorate your beads. Your beads are your dried pasta. You can decorate those using crayons or markers or paint. You could even have a grown-up help you, and you could stick them all in like a Ziploc bag with a few drops of like rubbing alcohol or vinegar and some food coloring and shake them around, and you can dye them that way. But if you do that method or with paint, you want to be sure to let them dry for a long time before you start the next step. I'm just going to use crayons. And you can use your crayon to decorate along the lines. I could color the whole thing, or since this fun piece of pasta that I grabbed out of the bag has ridges, I can kind of put my crayon in the ridge and maybe make some stripes with different colors. I could make spots. I could do a bunch of colors. I could do a solid color. It's really up to you and what you prefer for your noodles. So you get them all decorated. Once you have all your noodles decorated the way that you want, your pasta beads, you're going to take your pipe cleaner and stick it in. And you're going to string your pasta beads onto your pipe cleaner. I'm going to get a couple of them on there. You could try out different patterns. You could do like 2 of the penne. Do 2 of those thicker noodles. I think it's rigatoni. And once you feel like you have enough on there that'll go around your wrist, you can wrap your pipe cleaner around and then twist the ends. And now I have a really cool friendship bracelet. I can tuck this end, or I can have a grown-up help me out by using some scissors to cut those ends off. I kind of like them on there though. And there's my fancy new friendship bracelet. So I hope you had fun, and I hope that we get to be friends. Thanks.